In this last part of the series of videos on how you can travel abroad on your job, I'm going to leave you with a few tips which will help you take the visa processing or the immigration into your own hands. The first thing you should know is the countries that you can travel to: USA, Canada, Singapore, Malaysia, Dubai, countries in Europe, and more. The country you choose depends on the amount of money you want to save, your lifestyle choices, and the exposure that you are going to get. And each of these countries have a different set of visas and visa processing fees as well. For example, USA offers H-1B visas where you need a sponsoring company, and the visa fees can range from 3,000 to 4,000 US dollars. Canada and Australia offer work permits as well as permanent residencies or immigration. They are point based. This immigration or the permanent residencies are point based, where you get points for your education qualification, points for your work experience, and also points based on your IELTS or TOEFL test scores. And the visa fees, again, for work permits it's slightly lower, but for the PRs the fees can be higher. It can be anywhere between 2 lakhs and 4 lakhs Indian rupees, because they have their own benefits. If you get the PR, your life will be a lot easier in switching jobs, etc. And you can also get the citizenships of these countries quickly. So if you are a fresher just getting started, you should save some amount from your salary towards your immigration fees in the future. And if you are an experienced guy, then you should make this investment right now towards your great future, career, and life. There were times when companies or consulting firms used to take care of our complete visa processing fees as well as our travel expenses. There still are companies which do it, provided we have all the hot skills that are required in those countries where we want to work in on our resume. So it's our responsibility to stay up to date with the skill set that is required in those countries. There are consulting firms in each and every city that will give you all the information that you need to travel to a particular country, and they can even help you with your visa processing and immigration work. They will charge you only when you get started with your visa processing and immigration. They will not charge you to just get the information. So go meet those consulting people and get all the information that is required. And if you have friends or family in the country where you want to travel, please get in touch with them and gather all the information that you need, which will help you long term. So get started now. Decide which country you want to go to. Gather all the information that is required by visiting these consulting firms or from your friends and family who are already there. Prepare all the paperwork, give all the exams, pay the fees. Once you get your visas and PRs, get a job in that country, fly abroad and explore this world.